Hello guys, welcome in Unified IT Solution. Today we are going to discuss how to install the Universal Forwarder on Linux machine. So as of now we discuss how to install it on Windows machine, but today we are going to discuss on how to install on the Linux machine. So before starting we should know that which version of Universal Forwarder we need to download. So yes, so it depends upon kernel of your system. So I will move to my server and I have taken the remote of my server, Linux server through PuTTY, and if you don't know how to take the remote of your server, I have locally installed that into VMware. I'll create a separate video how you can create your test system to the VMware and how you can install Linux maybe, and then you can use it for your testing purpose. So this is my system. I have created Linux and I will check the kernel version. That is totally depend like which version you have to install, that is totally depend upon your kernel of Linux machine. So I will check how to check uname -r. So it will show you the kernel. So my kernel is 4.8, which is major version is 4 and the minor version is 18, so 4.18. So now I'll go to the Splunk site and I already created the video how to install how to download the Splunk Universal Forwarder. So I'll directly take you on this page and you can see here the Linux and Windows, Solaris and other OS available forwarder. So I will choose, so you can see my kernel is 4.18 and here 4.14. So this is also fine with me, but the architecture of this ARM, so my system is not ARM, this is different hardware. So I will go down and I will see 9.3.1, which is 64-bit, which is my system. If I'll go back to my Linux machine and I will just put uname -a, so it will show x86 nothing but it's a laptop architecture, and 64 is my machine and Linux is installed, and this is a kernel version. So this command will give you the complete information. Now my kernel version is since 8.4.18 and this is compatible. This version is compatible with 4.x, 5.x, 6.x. So I can download. So today I will going to download it via RPM. Next video I will create how to install via TGT form. So this is two major things. If you are using instead of CentOS, you are using Debian, so you can download the Debian. So I'll just click on the RPM right now. So you can see that it start downloading and it will take few minutes. So here it is started downloaded. Either if your system is directly connected to the internet, you can use the command line as well, but I will going to explain how you can copy the file from your Windows laptop to the your Linux system. So that is also many people don't know how to do that, so I will show you. Since I have downloaded, I will go to the download and I will show you. So this is downloaded in RPM form, and now there is a software called WinSCP. So I have downloaded. You can also download it. It's a free available. You can go to the browser and you can simply type here download WinSCP and you can download and install. It's a free available, and now you can open it. So this is open and it will you have to click on new site. It will ask for the host name or IP address. So I will provide I will check the IP address. So this is the command how to you can check the IP address. So this is my IP address. I will go back and I will put the IP address. It will ask for the username, root, and I will put my password and I will just click on login. It will ask for the license. Now you can see my left side is my Windows machine, my right side is my Linux machine. So this is root. So now I will copy this. Yeah, you can change the directory from here. I will go here. I will just go into the TMP folder. So here is my TMP folder. You can copy anywhere your space is available since you are connected to the root. Either you can change your directory, go to the download from here. Either other way is you can just directly drag it, go to the WinSCP and you can drop it. It will start copying, and you can see copy has been complete. Either you can, like, this is the file that I want to copy, you can directly drag and drop like that. So I don't do it, but this is the way, and you can also directly drag and drop from your laptop. Now I will go back to my system Linux machine, and I'll go to the temp directory. I will see that this folder the package is available now since we copied it. And how to install it? So it's command called rpm-i, and I means install, and I will read it. It will show you some. So it is first it will check cannot create the directory. So since user had, so since this directory does not exist, so it will automatically create this directory, and it will install. So where it will install, by default it will install into the opt Splunk Forwarder directory. So it will take 2 to 3 minutes. So it is giving some error, but don't worry. This is, sometimes the package does not meet, but does not create such problem. Okay, so it will automatically create those folder and file inside this Splunk, and lastly it's giving the complete option. And now I'll go check. So Splunk Forwarder is there. Now I'll go inside this bin directory. I'll check. Okay, now your all of required directories already had been created in the OPT. So first time how do you start it? So you have to go to the OPT Splunk Forwarder bin directory. This is called Splunk, and then you do start, and it will give you some agreement and all this license. It will show you, so you can press space and continuously. So now you can see it's 50%. Instead of this, you can just press continuously space, and it will ask for the license agreement. Put it yes. Now it will ask for the administrator account. So you can give anything, but generally give the admin password. You can give anything, whatever. So it will ask for the some complex password. So I will put it like maybe password. So now you see Splunk started done. So our Splunk Forwarder has been started, and now I will check status again. So now it is saying attempting to revert the Splunk ownership, executing, but the status Splunk is showing running. This is because we don't use Splunk user to install this. We directly use the root, so that's why this warning is coming. But next time you will do it, so you can also use the Splunk user to install it, and you can change the permission to Splunk directly, because you will see all the permissions is right now Splunk after rule. So this user is created by Splunk. You can check with ID. So this is scripted, and this user is automatically created by the Splunk itself. So while installing it, so every time it will just give you the warning, but it does not impact your universal for any connectivity. So this is how you can install the universal forwarder, and I will show in next video how you can enable, because what happened Splunk will server will report, so your forwarder should be automatically start, right? So that process we have one process to enable that boot start. So I will make a 1 or 2 minute of video on that, and I will explain on how you can do it. So this was the topic today, and thank you guys, thank you for your support. Kindly subscribe our channel, like our videos, and let us know if you want to get any video on any topic.